Sir, you are on mute.
No sound, Saurabh.
Actually, sir, you are on mute.
Yeah. Namaste everyone. Sorry, I didn't
Namaste,
see
sir.
that.
Namaste. That's okay.
How are you guys?
Good.
Doing well? Okay, then let's. Oh, very nice, Bonnie. I can see your headstand. Okay, so let's begin our class. Sit in any comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Join your palms together in front of your heart center. Keep your back neck straight. We will chant one time Om. After that, the opening mantra. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now inhale for Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde. Sandarbhashita Swatma Sukha Bhavote. Nishreya Changalika Yamane. Sansar Hala Halmo Ashante. Abahu Purchakaram. Sankachakrasidharinam. Sahasrartirishtam Shvetam. Pranamami Patanjalim. Om. Hatha Yoga Anushasinam. Rub your both palms together. Gently apply it on your eyes, apply it on your face, on your whole body, and bow down your head towards God. Ask God to give us strength and energy for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti everyone. Okay, so I can see a new student, Rohitji. So Rohitji, tell me about yourself, something that how long you've been doing yoga. Rohitji, can you hear me?
I was on mute by mistake. So,
Okay.
so actually, I'm practicing from last like more than 10 years, but last year I got injury in my back, so I have to left my practice. So I'm doing
Okay.
practice, but only like for the back pain only. So I had
Okay.
recovered now, but not fully. So I can't go into the deeper poses because of injury and because I had left the practice also for almost last 1 year.
Okay.
So
So try to not bend forward much. Just do a half forward folds. Do not do full forward fold due to you have injury in your back. Okay. So Ashtanga primary series is basically all about the forward folds. So do not practice it much. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Then let's start. Inhale. Raise your both arms up over your head. Interlace your fingers. Rotate your palms out. Okay. Now Rahul ji will show you. Okay. Sit down on the mat. Okay, sit in any comfortable position. Now interlace your fingers, raise your both arms up and rotate your palms towards the ceiling. Try to stretch yourself up as much as high you can. Now exhale, bend towards the right side for the lateral bend and feel the stretch on your left side. Inhale, again back to the center. Exhale, go towards the left side. Inhale, again come back to the center. Now keep your hands interlocked. Again bend towards the right side. Do not open your fingers. Keep looking towards your left armpit. Open your chest towards the left side. Inhale, come back to the center and exhale to the left side. Inhale again back to the center. Now exhale, bend down at 90 degree. Just stretch your hands front, look front, keep your ears closer to your hands. Do not make a hump on your back, so try to keep your spine straight. Hold there, 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, drop your both hands behind your back. Lift your chest up, look back, open your rib cages, feel the openingness in your heart and hold 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, both arms up again, and exhale, drop your both hands down. Now from here, drop your both hands one side and come for the tabletop position on your mat. Keep your palms under your shoulder, little bit. Rotate your shoulder outward, keep your knees under your hip. Open your knees, hip distance apart, open your palms, shoulder distance apart. Now inhale, look up, roll your shoulder, open your chest. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Inhale, again look up. Exhale, look down. While looking down, push your shoulder blades away, tuck your tailbone in and try to make a hump as much as big you can. Inhale, look up. Now squeeze your shoulder blades here, tuck your tailbone out and make an arch on your back. Exhale, look down. We'll do one more time. Inhale, look up and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, just take a breathe in and breathe out. And 3, exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. 3, 2, and 1. Come to the center. Now inhale, stretch your right arm front and left leg back. Point your left toe behind the wall and fingers front to the wall. Exhale, make a hump and try to touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale, again, stretch your arm and knee back. Exhale, again, elbow to your knee. Inhale one more time and hold there for 3 counts. Maintain your balance on your left palm and your right knee. 2 and 3. Exhale, knee to elbow. Again, make a hump on your back. Hold 1, 2, and 3. Now drop your left knee down and right palm down. Now change your hand and change your leg. Lift your left arm front, stretch your left palm towards or your hand towards the wall. Exhale, touch your elbow to your knee. Again, inhale, stretch your arm front. Exhale, elbow to your knee. One more time, and now this time we'll hold for 3 counts. 1, keep stretching like someone is pulling you from your leg and your hand. 2 and 3. Exhale, try to touch your elbow to your knee and hold there for 3 counts. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knee down, drop your palm down. Now stretch your arms front for the puppy pose. Make finger cups from your fingers and just feel the stretch in your shoulder and your thoracic region. Keep your hip under your knees, above your knees, sorry. Keep stretching. Now move from towards the right side with your fingers. Move, keep moving. Inhale, come back to the center and exhale towards the left side. If you find any difficulty in doing, you can see Rahulji, how he's doing. Inhale, again back to the center. Now hold 1, 2, and 3. Now walk with your palms back. Again, come for tabletop. Now from here, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Bend your knees one by one, shake your legs. Just create the space, create the flexibility in your legs. Warm up your legs. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti from there. Walk front, a step, you can step in also. Inhale, come up, exhale down. into the Samasthiti. Now take 1 feet distance from a mat. We'll do the sun salutation, A of Astanga. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. Come for Urdhva Sthasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Just make sure you are not making a hump on your back and you are going forward with your hip joints, not using your back. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. If you cannot lengthen your spine while keeping your knees straight, you can just bend your knees and just try to elevate with your chest. Try to lift your chest. Very nice. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift and jump back to Chaturanga. If you cannot jump, you can step back one by one. In Chaturanga, just try to keep your body straight in one line. Do not give pressure on your lower back. Inhale, swing yourself for upward facing dog. Exhale, go back to the downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, try to keep your tailbone high towards the ceiling. Rotate your shoulders a little bit out and just look at your navel point. Try to touch your heel. If you cannot, it's okay. You can bend your knees. Hold 1, keep deep breath in and deep breath out. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now Sapta, bend your knees, look front and jump between your both palms or step in front between your both palms. Into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Ashto, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Now inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Sthasana. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again raise your both arms up for Urdhva Sthasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. And Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay there. 1, 2, keep lifting your tailbone high, press on your palms properly. 3, 4, and 5. Now look front and bend your both knees. Sapta, jump front between your both palms into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Ashto exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Sthasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Very good. For the third round of sun salutation A, Ekam, inhale and Doi exhale. 3D inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your knees, jump in between your both palms, look front. Ashto exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Sthasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees and raise your both arms up. Come for the chair pose. See, you can look at Rahulji. His knees are back from his toes. So you have to keep in mind that you will not cross your knees from your toes. Just do it the wrong way, Rahulji. Do it the wrong way. Cross your knees. Yeah, this is wrong. Okay. In this, you will give pressure on your knees. So little bit back. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Third inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your right leg front. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Front leg 90, back feet just slightly 5 degrees in. Square your hips towards the front. Exhale, again jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there. for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees and jump between your both palms for halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale all the way, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Second round, ekam inhale, come for the chair pose. Dve exhale, come for the forward fold. Trini inhale, look front for the half forward fold. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, lift your right leg up and then bring your right leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Front leg 90, back feet 5 degrees in, look front and exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees and jump or step in front into halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third and last round. Ekam inhale, again come for the chair pose. To exhale, bend for the forward fold. Trini inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava inhale, Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha inhale, Chaturdasha exhale. Hold. 1, 2, deep breathe in, deep breathe out. 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front between your both palms. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. So now we'll move forward to our first pose of Ashtanga. So Ekam inhale, jump, open your legs, keep your both palms on your waist. You can follow Rahulji. Squeeze your shoulder blades here, squeeze your elbows, open your chest. Now exhale, bend fully forward down for the forward fold and grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine here. If you cannot lengthen your spine, you can bend your knees, but try to keep your spine straight. Now exhale, straight your knees and try to bend forward. Look between your both legs, transfer your weight, not only to your heels, but on your toes and hold. 1, deep breathe in, deep breathe out. 2, keep your elbows bent, stretch your spine down. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front. Now exhale, drop your both palms under your feet for Padhastasana. Inhale, again halfway look up. Exhale, bend your elbows, keep looking down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine here. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, jump back to the Samasthiti. Very good. Now we'll move to the next posture, triangle pose, Utthit Trikonasana. Ekam inhale, swing your right leg back, right toe out and left toe in. Both arms by the side. Exhale, bend towards your right leg, lean front, stretch yourself first front, and then go down towards your big toe. If you can catch your big toe, you can catch. If you cannot reach, you can just place your hands on your shin bone as well. Look towards your left palm up. Keep your body straight in one line. Push your hip in and chest out. 1, stay there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back up. Now left toe out and right toe in. Chatwari, exhale, bend towards your left side. And inhale, look up towards your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back up. Now from here, right toe out and left toe in for Parivartit Trikona Asana. So keep your right palm on your waist, square your hip towards the right side, lift your left arm up. Exhale, drop your left palm out of your right feet. Maintain your balance. If you cannot drop, you can use blocks or you can place your palm on your shin bone as well. Inhale, look towards your right hand and hold there. 1, 2, Parivartit Trikonasana, revolve triangle pose. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come back to the center. Now turn your left toe out and right toe in. Place your left palm on your waist. Stretch your right arm over your head and then exhale, drop your right palm out of your left feet. Inhale, look towards your left palm or your left hand. Just keep twisting with your thoracic region and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, all the way come back up. Exhale, stepping your right foot front back to the Samasthiti. Okay, so now we'll continue Vinyasa from here. And that will be taught by Rahul ji.
Now prepare the body for the vinyasa. It's going to be gentle. So just stand up straight into Samasthiti. Now take your both hands up above your head. Exhale, bend forward, put your hands down on your mat. Inhale, halfway look up. Now send your right leg back, keep your back leg straight, and then take your arms up for the high lunge. Keep your back leg straight, very nice, stay here. For 3, stretch high, elevate upward, 2, 1. While bending your right knee at the knee, and then open up your hands into cactus. Spread your fingers out, look up high to the ceiling, keep stretching upward, open up your chest, and then exhale, put your hands down on your mat. Now send your left leg back for the mountain. Drop your knees, chest, chin down on your mat. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the crow pose. Oh, cobra pose. Now stay here. Lower belly should be on your mat. Keep elevating high from your thoracic region. Stay here for a while. For 3, 2, 1. Exhale, roll back on your toes for the mountain, Parvatasana. Try to push your heels down on your mat. Keep pushing your heels down, stretch your shoulders down towards your mat. Keep pushing. Keep moving your abdomen in and out as per your comfort. Now press your palms, bend your knees, jump forward for the halfway look up. As you exhale, bend completely down. Inhale, halfway look up again. Now send your left leg back. and keep your back leg straight and take your arms up for the high lunge. Front leg bent into 90-degree angle, back leg straight up. Now one more time, take a deep breath in and then drop your back knee on your mat and then bend your elbows into cactus hands. Open up your chest, spread your fingers out and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, put your hands down on your mat and send your right leg back for the mountain. Now drop your knees, chest, chin down on your mat. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back. Keep stretching your spine upward. Elevate high and stay. For 3, 2, and 1. Now press your palms again, roll back on your toes for the mountain and Parvatasana. Again, start to stretch your shoulders down towards your mat, spread your fingers out and keep pressing your shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out here. Inhale and exhale. Now let's try it one more time. Drop your knees, chest and chin on your mat. Look front, stretch your shoulders, stretch your neck, stretch your spine together. Hold here for 3, 2, breathe in, breathe out. Don't stop your breathing. 1. Now take your right leg up in the air, make your toes pointed and stay here. Again hold for 3. Now turn your head to the left side and look at your right foot. Look at your right foot from left side and stay. 1. Keep stretching upward. 2 and 3. Drop your right knee on your mat. Now try to take your left leg back up in the air. Stretch upward and hold here for 3, 2, 1. And then exhale, drop your left knee on your mat. And then inhale, swing yourself forward for the cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Roll the shoulders back, open up your chest. Look front, fix your gaze somewhere so that you can find the stability into the posture. Now from here, we will do repetitive movement, child pose and cobra pose. All right, now roll back on your toes to the child pose. As you inhale, swing yourself forward into the cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Again, roll back on your toes for the child pose. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the cobra pose. Exhale, again roll back to the child pose. Inhale, swing yourself forward to the cobra pose. Okay, one breath, one movement in each round. Exhale, again roll back on your toes for the child pose. Inhale, swing yourself forward into the cobra pose. Breathe in deeply, long exhalation out. Exhale, again roll back to the child pose. Inhale, swing yourself forward to the cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Exhale, child pose. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale again, child pose. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, child pose. Inhale, cobra pose. Now one more time, exhale, child pose. For the last inhale, swing yourself forward into the cobra pose and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now press your palms and lift your chest even higher than before into this cobra pose and turn your head to the right side to look at your left foot. And then turn your head to the left side to look at your right foot. Again, turn your head to the right side to then look at the left foot and the left side to look at your right foot. Keep on moving like this. Right side and then left side. And then right side, move, and then left side. Keep on moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For last 3 more counts, keep on moving. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, we will do upward facing dog. Press your palms and then lift your knees, thighs off the floor. And now let that pressure come to your lower back. Now you guys are open up from your thoracic region. Now we are moving further to our lower back. Okay, this is going to increase that intensity of your back bend. Exhale, again press your palms, roll back on your toes for the downward facing dog. So this downward facing dog is a combination of forward bend and back bend. From the posterior, from your legs, it's going to be, sort of forward bend. But when you come to your upper back, it's going to be like a back bend. Okay, that's why it is called combination of your forward bend and your back bend. Again, one more time, drop your knees, chest in on your mat. Stay here for 5. Stay. 4, 3. You can walk further if you want to have more stretch on your thoracic region. 2. Keep stretching. 1. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Now from here, bring your right hand forward in the center. Yes. And now bend your left leg at the knee. Now grab your left foot with your left hand. Now pull your leg back down towards the floor. Open up your chest and look back. Look back from the left side. Hold. 1. Bring your leg close to your arms. 2. Like bend your leg. 3. Bring it down. 4. Look back. 5. Feel the twisting. At the same time, you're bending backward. 6. And then exhale, release your leg down. Good job. Now from here, bend your right leg. Place your left hand in the center. Bend your right leg. And then hook your right foot in your right elbow. And then adjust and then look back. 1. Try to bring it as close as possible towards your abdomen or chest. 2. Or towards your mat. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And then exhale, release your leg down. Now stay here in this Cobra pose. Now you can keep your hands straight in this Cobra pose. So you must be enough warmed in this posture now. Exhale, roll back on your toes for the mountain and downward facing dog. Stretch your hips high. Pedal out your legs to release all the tension from your spine. Take your time to breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Normalize your breath, catch your breath. Gather your all lost energy. Just bring all the awareness towards your breath. Inhale and exhale there. Now drop your knees, chest chin down one more time on your mat. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back. Now stay, look front. Keep elevating your spine higher. Keep pressing your palms evenly on your mat. Look front. Breathe in, breathe out there. Look front. Now exhale, completely lie down on your abdomen. Relax there. Normalize your breath, catch your breath. Relax your mind and prepare your mind for the next sequence. Just stay into this posture and relax there. Catch your breath, everyone. Okay, now press your palms. Swing yourself forward to the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back, open up your chest. Now exhale, extend your both hands forward. Extend your both hands forward. and then completely lie down on your abdomen one more time. Now press your palms and then try to lift your head up. Okay, it won't be lifted up higher, but it's going to be lift slight. Okay, now exhale, lower your head down. Now take your both hands one palm distance backward. Okay, just look at the Saurabhji that how he's doing. So you're gonna take your both hands one palm distance backward. Okay, and now again press your palms. Now your chest is being higher than before and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale again, lower your head down. Now again take your both hands one palm distance backward. Press your palms, elevate your chest upward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, lower your head down. Now from here again, bring your hands beside your ears. Now press your palms again, try to lift the chest up, roll your shoulders back and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower your head down, hands down. Again, press your palms, take your hands back beside your shoulders. Press your both hands evenly on your mat and then reach upward. Now hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower down. Now bring your hands beside your chest and then press your palms again, elevate higher to that optimal level and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay there. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Exhale, completely bend down. Relax there again. Normalize your breath. Relax your shoulders. Stretch your arms backward. Breathe in, breathe out there. Catch your breath. Okay, with the next inhalation again, press your palms, lift your chest up. For the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Exhale, roll back on your toes for the downward facing dog. Walk your both legs forward in between your both hands for the half pillow cup. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, take your arms up above your head. Stretch. Keep your stretching higher. Exhale, bend forward and put your hands down on your mat. Inhale, half pillow cup. Lengthen your spine. Maximize your lower back strength in this half pillow cup. Stay. 1. Look front. Maximize your strength. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now walk your both legs back for the plank. Drop your knees, chest, chin down on the mat. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Exhale, roll back on your toes for Parvatasana or mountain, or downward facing dog. Okay, again, start to stretch your shoulders down towards your mat. Keep pushing down with every exhalation. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Now step your right leg forward in between both hands for horse riding pose, Asma Sanchalana. Back knee on your mat, look front and stretch your back hip. Start to stretch, deepen the posture with every exhalation. And then exhale, send your right leg back for the mountain, Parvatasana. Now step your left leg forward in between your both hands. Push your hips down, stretch. And then exhale, send your left leg back for the mountain. Now from here, press your palms, jump through your hands into Dandasana. Try to jump through your hands into Dandasana, very nice. Now lie down on your back. From here, raise your both legs up high in the air for the shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. Adjust your both hands on your lower back. Keep pressing your elbows together evenly on your mat. Keep reaching high, take your legs up. Keep stretching. Keep stretching high. And then exhale, lower your both legs down behind your head into Halasana. Keep stretching, interlock your fingers behind your back. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel that nice and gentle stretch that's coming on your back of your hips, back of your lower back, and your thoracic region. Keep stretching. Keep stretching. Breathe in, breathe out. Now drop your both knees down on your mat. And then squeeze your knees on your elbows. Sorry, on your ears. And then you can grab your feet. And then again, extend your spine more further out. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your legs up high in the air for shoulder stand. Again, find the balance on your back of your neck. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly, gently lie down on your spine. Relax your spine down on your mat. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we will do fish pose, counter pose of these all finishing postures. Now try to lift your head up, lift your chest up, and drop your crown of the head down on your mat. Stretch your neck, reach your chest high, and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you exhale, release your neck back. Normalize your breath again. Now close your eyes and relax back to Shavasana. Turn your feet out, palm facing up. Relax your breath, relax your mind, and find the stillness at the very bottom of your heart. Bring all the consciousness towards your breath. Start to breathe. Take deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now again, take a deep breath in through your nose and for the count of 4. Again, take a deep breath in for the count of 4 and breathe out for the count of 4. Now slowly, gently bring the awareness back to your body. Move your toes, move your fingers, move your neck side to side. Extend your both arms above your head. Interlock your fingers and then stretch your entire body from top to bottom, bottom to top. Bend your left leg at the knee and then turn it on the right side. Be comfortable. Take your time to sit in any comfortable pose. Press your hand on your mat. Eyes remain closed. Catch your breath again to finish today's session. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Now we will chant 1 Om followed by 3 Shanti together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands together. Now place your palms on your closed eyes. Now again rub your hands together. Placed on your closed eyes again. Now join your hands together, bow your head down, honor yourself, honor your practice, open your eyes while blinking, and namaste to everyone. Thank you so much for joining here in online classes. Namaste. Do you guys have any question about today's session?
Sir, I am very new to Vinyasa and Ashtanga. Can you please explain me a little bit about this? I'm just a beginner.
Okay, so let's see into the Ashtanga series by K. Pattabi Jois. And
Sir, voice is not coming.
voice is not clear.
Voice very slow. Actually. It is very. It's audible, but it's very low volume. So volume is very low. I'm not able to hear it.
Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
Okay, now you can hear properly.
Yes.
Okay, so Ashtanga is made by K. Pattabi Jois, who is student of Tirumalacharya ji. So Tirumalacharya ji have two students. One is K. Pattabi Jois and another one is B.K. Sengar ji. K. Pattabi Jois had made Ashtanga and B.K. Sengar ji has made Iyengar Yoga. So the K. Pattabi Jois had made Ashtanga. In that there is series, 6 series total of. First is primary, second is intermediate, third is advanced A, advanced B, advanced C, and advanced D. So these are the 6 series that is made by K. Pattabi Jois. So we usually do not jump or skip any series. If we are starting the yoga or this Ashtanga, we will start with primary series. Primary is the basic series in this Ashtanga. But if you want to do Ashtanga, you have to gain knowledge of you have to gain knowledge before Hatha Yoga. You have to gain the knowledge of Hatha Yoga before doing Ashtanga Yoga. Because if your body is stiff and it is not, you don't have strength, it is not flexible or mobile. So you have to first work on it. And then you can move forward towards the Ashtanga. And in Vinyasa, basically we follow the flow. Okay, we will not stop. As you can see, Rahulji was instructing at that time. We were not stopping or we were not coming back to the Samasthiti. We can relax a little bit into like child pose, but it is in a flow. Vinyasa, as I can describe you, Vinyasa means one breath each movement. One breath each movement means you have to combine your movement and your breath of the body. Okay. So that is Vinyasa, you understand? And Ashtanga is a fixed series that we have to follow. That is made by K. Pattabi Jois.
Thanks, sir. So where can I find study material about Vinyasa and Ashtanga?
In our manual, we have this study material. If you will go through the manual, you will get it about Ashtanga. Okay. Any other question?
No, sir. I'm
Okay.
saying both
Yep.
the material, both Vinyasa and Ashtanga.
Yeah, you will get in this manual. The manual is provided by from the school. You will get in it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much to both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. See you tomorrow, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.